So what's up, guys? We're back. Well, I'm back, and today we're gonna be working on the 240. We're out here in sunny Iceland, and it's beautiful. So pretty. So today, I'm just gonna be doing light work, replacing the taillight bulbs and a couple bolts in the engine. So yeah, I also copped longer bolts for my math adapter. As you can see, the bolt is right to the edge, so I got longer ones. It's an, well, this bolt is an M6 by 1 by 30 length, 30 millimeters length. So yeah. So I got my toolbox here, and I'm gonna try out the dome lights first, just to see how it actually goes in. I've never tried it. So we got my nice toolbox here. We're gonna use a flathead and just pop out the shell. Okay, so that's the dome light. It doesn't work. Clearly the battery's plugged and it's just not working. It looks like it's already been tampered with, so I guess I'll try it out. Just push this. Push that. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so I popped it. I think I broke it. I broke it. No, I didn't break it. Oh! Okay, true. So there's the light. What is that? Oh, they used an LED. Oh, it's not focusing. I mean, I hope it works. You don't even know how that, does it just pop out? So it just pops out. So that's the bulb. Previous owner used LEDs. That's cool, I guess. So yeah, it just kind of goes in. So I'm gonna pop this in 1 second. All right, so this, oh there, okay, so it goes into that hole. So like that tip, just the tip goes into that hole and then it goes into the other hole. I think that's it. Oh, it works! Oh my god! I actually did something. Say a word. Look at that! Does it work if I open the door? No way, it works! Say word. Alright, bless. Now we have interior lighting. So I actually did something. True? Alright. I guess we're gonna go to the headlight assembly. I'm gonna kill my battery, oh my god. So you got a couple bulbs here. For anybody who needs to know, 1157 is the actual like tail light. 1156 is the signal lights. Clear or orange, it doesn't really matter. I think 1156, yeah, is clear, and then 1156A is the actual like orange if your housing is clear. And then the reverse lights are also 1156, but I got the white lights because obviously it's a reverse. I also I'm gonna try the dome lights. I have dome lights, but it craps out on me, so that's the number if anybody was wondering. I also have a bunch of bolts here. This is for the torque damper that I have. Actually, here's a torque damper I bought. I think this is Circuit Sports. They included the bolts to bolt on to the strut tower, but they didn't include the bolts. Yeah, so for the strut tower to this, actually, to one side of the torque damper, but they never included the bolt to actually bolt on to the engine block. So I actually had to find it. This car is a metric car, so most of the bolts are metric, so it's actually an M8 that goes into the engine block. It goes to these two bottom holes and then gets bolted up to the top like that with this. Yeah, so one in here, one in there, this end, and then whatever your strut tower bolts up to the 3 here, and one goes there. Anybody need to know. So I don't know if you can tell, but as you can see, the bulbs, the taillights alone just take 8 bulbs alone. 8 bulbs, if no one knew that, for this type of taillight. You got 2, the actual like stop lights, 1 for the reverse light, and obviously 1 each for the signal light, and 1 each for the reverse light. So it seems to me that though the stop lights work, but this signal light obviously is blown, and I guess the reverse lights don't work. So I'm gonna just replace that right now. It's pretty simple actually. Oh, that's dark as ass. Okay, so you literally just pop these like that. So I'm gonna turn off the lights before I kill myself and actually replace it. So now I'm just gonna do the reverse lights. I think it's this. You just unscrew this. That's it. So pretty much just has like dots. See, like dot, or those like things that come out, looks like a nipple. You just push it in and then slide it out. Oh fuck. And this, push it in. There's a groove in there. You just line up the nipple and you just push in and slide it. Should be it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Same thing with the signal lights. It's actually just this, oh crap, this white thing. It's the same process, just pop it out. And it actually comes to the bottom one is obviously the signal, so I'm just gonna replace it quick. I'm gonna put this down. So I just replaced the other side. Pretty simple. Didn't see the point of putting it in. Just that one was just a pain in the bum cheeks because of the trim. But that's it for the most part. I'm gonna just test it now and see if it works. Okay. So still doesn't work. That's weird. Okay, I actually have to check this. See, this bulb does not work. Period. Obviously not good. Faulty wiring. Works clearly. How did... So I had to go out and run a couple errands, but I still have to diagnose the problem. It's probably a faulty wiring, but I'll try and get that fixed. I have to fill the gas because it's kind of low still. Jeez, it works? It works. Okay. Yeah, it's a little low. So that definitely needs fixing. gas. I also have to fix that damn latch that goes there, that locks onto that, is nowhere to be found. So I actually have a replacement wire that I have to install, but that's probably for another time because it's going to be a pain in the everything. Oh. See no leaks. Oh my god. Alright, bless. Funny story. After buying this car, it was a dirty gas tank leak. Oh my god. Patched it up, so it still needs to be completely fixed. Going up. Come on, at least past the quarter. Past the quarter mark, past the quarter mark. Okay, it's tied with the quarter mark. Let's go above the quarter mark. That's it. Ah, I don't